Everyone, welcome back to the second part of this discussion on politics on Goa 365 story behind the story. Yeah, like, as the discussion was getting heated up, we ran out of time. I'm sorry. So I'll go back to Sudesh just to give 2 seconds. Then we'll move to Siddesh and then we'll move to Swapnesh. Yeah, Sudesh, you were saying that in 24,
every political party works for the next election. Correct. By polls झाले, सगळे लोकांनी दाखवले 2 सीट बीजेपी जिंकली, 3री सीट जिंकली. Eventually we supported that candidate. Correct. 2024, I can say it on your channel on record. Next Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, and आम्ही दोन्ही सीट गोयच्या हाडटा.
See what Sudesh says. Sudesh has joined the BJP.
No, this is nothing but
one can understand. He is trying to recover from that break by saying Modi ji, Modi ji, Modi ji. That's the job of every person.
It is not about
you never know. हे किती म्हणतात ते लोकांचा माइंडसेट किती असतो तो. आयज तू हे उलयता तो 2024 उलयता. फाल्यां परां कितें जातलें ते कोणाक खबर उरना.
What do you feel
as of today, if the election goes versus a Prime Minister Narendra Modi against an incompetent Prime Minister against a competent Chief Minister.
Wait, I'm like,
Let us go to
the BJP Prime Minister will face
them, correct? Right.
Yeah.
You go to South, Stalin. Go to Stalin, 1 minute, go to that state.
Yeah, okay.
You have a incompetent Prime Minister versus a competent Chief Minister. They'll get wiped out. 1 minute. Without any, when the whole opposition remained out there, leave it to Stalin. Go to Maharashtra, NCP, Shiv Sena, Congress, leave it to them. The incompetent Prime Minister's face along this combination of 3 will be wiped out. You go to Delhi, leave Kejriwal there. A competent Chief Minister against the Prime Minister, incompetent. Go to Bengal, go to Bihar, go to Karnataka, leave it to Congress totally. Go to Rajasthan, leave it to where is Modi?
Basically पोवपाक गेलो.
What you are telling you from there?
Basically पोवपाक गेलो.
What I am trying to tell you is there are states where regional players are very strong.
Correct.
I pointed out to you. Bengal.
Yeah, that I got.
So when you go there, where is BJP? BJP wiped out.
Because basically आता पोवपाक गेलेले कितें सांगता तुका आमी प्रायम मिनिस्टराची स्वप्नां उलयतात आणि त्या स्वप्नाचेर आमी आमचे गोंयचे राज्य काबार करता. पहिली गजाल फक्त जेन्ना असेंब्ली इलेक्शन लढताले तेन्नाय ते मोदीचे कॅरेट दाखयताले. प्रमोद कोण तो खबर ना, एक कमळ आणि एक मोदीचे कॅरेट. सो बेसिकली हांव कितें म्हणटा आयज आमी ब्रॉडर प्रॉस्पेक्ट उलयना ह्यो प्रायम मिनिस्टर जातलो हे जातलो म्हाका ते लागना. म्हाका म्हाजें गोंय लागता, म्हाजें गोंयचें कितें. म्हाका सांग मोदी म्हादईचे बद्दल कितें उलयना, उलोवपाक जाय तेजे बद्दल सांग बाबा म्हादई तुमकां बिलोंग जाता तुमची ती कित्याक उलयना. ते कर्नाटकाची सीट्स वतली म्हणून आणि एका सांगला काय कितें प्रमोद सावंताक तू उलयना काय रे तुजी 2च सिटां थंय आपल्या कडेन पोटली भरल्या डजनाची तू हांगा उलयल्यार तुका हांगा देंवयतलो त्या खातीर उलयना काय कितें. सो बेसिकली हांव कितें म्हणटा आमी राज्याचे ओवरऑल स्टेट्साचे पळोवता.
अनेक सांगता हो प्रमोद सावंत उलयतलोच कित्याक परिकरान लास्ट टाइम कर्नाटका इलेक्शन
दुसरी गजाल माझी
just a point.
See, Congress.
Sorry, actually I should not
basically
there, but see. Okay, Avinash Bab can answer.
बेसिकली काँग्रेसाचं पोझिशन कितें जालां काय जो प्रेसिडेंट आसा ही इज ऑल्सो न्यू पार्ट ऑफ काँग्रेस. तो काँग्रेसींतल्यान येवना. सो तेंचे मदीं आतां कशें जालां काँग्रेस फायटींग द बॅटल ऑफ ओपोजिशन इज सेपरेट. काँग्रेस फायटींग अमॉंग देम सेल्फ इज खंय तरी ब्रॉडर प्रॉस्पेक्टाचेर चालू आसा. सो बेसिकली हांव कितें म्हणटा तेंचे बैठक चिंतन आसता पळय ती बैठक चिंतन करपाची गरज आसा काँग्रेसीक की ज्या कडेन तेंचे पांय पावना किंवा थंय पावपाक शकना थंय नाक घालून फायदो ना. तुमकां आतां जशें की झेडपी इलेक्शना आमच्याच इलेक्शना म्हाजी सांगता तुका हांव 3400 कडेन पावलो आनी ते 1000 कडेन पावना थंय नाक घालपाची गरज नासली. बीजेपी जिखले कितले 700 मतांनी समज ते 1000 काडून थंय उरता. सो आमी पयलीं म्हणटाले कितें दे आर वोट स्प्लिटर्स पूण आयज वी आर ट्रायंग टू कम अप एज अ मेजर हे अँड दे हॅव बिकम द वोट स्प्लिटर्स. फक्त बुलट घेतली आनी खंयचे यात्रेक जॉईन जालो किंवा हे जालो काँग्रेस रिवायज जावपा ना. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा, तुमी देर इज अ वोट बँक, हांव ना म्हणना. काँग्रेस हेज अ गॉट
That's
वोट
20%. You cannot
So,
deny that, can you?
so ना असं हांव अजून सांगता, बट नाव दोज पीपल हॅव लॉस्ट होप. पयलीं म्हणटा तो 2017 थोडो गेलो, जेन्ना विश्वजीत गेलो, मागीर शिरोडकर गेलो, तेन्ना वसत रावलो. आतां 8 गेले पळय, तेन्ना उरिल्लो तोय गेलो. सो लोकांक कशें जाला, लोकांक खंय तरी घात जाला आनी ह्या घातान तुका कळपा येता की रायट हँड बीजेपी, लेफ्ट हँड काँग्रेस. सो तूं ह्या वटेच्यान जीक आपूण तुका ह्या वटेन हाडटा, तूं कांयच भिवपाची गरज ना. म्हाका अशें जाला की तूं इलेक्शनाक 2 CR मोड, आपूण तुका 6 CRान घेता, अशें चल्लां काय कितें? की हो क्वेश्चन मार्क म्हणजे लोकांचे अस्तित्व तुम्ही विकतात आणि घेतात काय कितें, रॉ मटेरियल जसो आसा. सो बेसिकली हांगा लोकांक फटयल्ले गेल्ले आसा. आनी लोकांक कशें फटयल्ले गेला, तूं ओपोजिशन हांव रुलींग, तूं ही फायल वयर काड, मागीर हांव सांगता तुका कितें तें. आयज तूं असेंब्लीन बस, असेंब्ली चालू आसतना आनी ते सिटां आसता पळय, तुका कांयच कळना. ते एकमेकाचे कोण ओपोजिटूच उलयना आनी कोण ओपोजीट उलोवपाक सोदता तेंचे क्वेश्चनूच येना. सो तेंचे ते क्वेश्चन काडप आसता, स्टार्ट अनस्टार्ट, ते खंय तरी फाटी आसता. कित्याक तेंचेच 33 जाण भरला, लोटान 33 तेंचीच नांवां येता, जाल्यार ओपोजिशन उरले खंय? आयज ओपोजिशन लिडर ताका अजून सेक्युरिटी दिना म्हणून तो बोवाळ मारता.
कित्याक security
ना एक पोलीस ऑफिशियल आसता पळय, तांकां हेजो प्रोटोकॉल, तो अजून मायकला कडेन आसा खंय, तो अजून एका मेळना. सो एक ओपोजिशन लिडर एक ओपोजिशन लिडर आपलो रायट मेळोवपाक अजून त्रास काडटा, अजून माने सांगताय बी आपल्या दिवना मरे, आपल्या दिवना ओपोजिशन लिडर सांगता.
But it is not his right. It was a gift to him.
No.
As per right, he can't get it.
But
So
you
it will be 10%.
opposition leader.
ना.
10% सांगता मग तेंचे.
बेसिकली
It's not by
आता
right.
पळय कशें
It's a
आसा,
gift. So
Basic-
देवा ते घे, एक प्रॉब्लेम
आता कशें जाला, आता प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला,
Right, but Siddesh Bab, just one point. Now तो तू म्हणता हो बॉब माता, that is not getting thing. He has not come and told us this. We have invited him. He should have come if he had the guts to come and tell. No.
He can't tell you that.
Why he can't tell?
He can't tell, but that's a gift. Gift cannot be demanded. Gift cannot be demanded. Take it.
Siddesh Bab, I want to make one point to you before you can answer, of course. See, तुम्ही आता सोशल ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट म्हणता एनजीओ, व्हॉट कॅन यू डू? टुडे द बीजेपी has X amount of seats. 10 years back, 15 years back, Congress had Y amount of seats. 15 years before that, MGP had Z amount of seats. What could anybody else do? Congress did what BJP is doing today. MGP was a manufacturing factory for Congress. Today, Congress is a manufacturing factory for BJP. My point is, if you don't get into politics and if people don't get into politics and do not win elections and do not stand, it is useless. काय फायदा ना?
सद्याक इलेक्शन
आसा न्हू
ना,
आतां.
त्याच्या पयलीं गोंयांत जे आतां इश्यूज येयल्लेले आसा पळय, ते पॉलिटिकल हेड घालून रिझॉल्व जावपाचे चान्सीस खूब कमी आहा एज कम्पेर्ड टू बीइंग ऑन ग्राउंड एज एक्टिविस्ट. हेका लागून एज ऑफ नाव, कन्सिडरिंग द टायम अँड द डिमांड ऑफ टायम, वी आर हॅपी प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ social activists.
Okay.
जसे elections येतले, when the time demands, we will be converting ourselves into politicians, since we have already a political party and also an NGO by गोंयचो आवाज. तर दोन्ही आहा आमच्याकडे. So what I am trying to say, आता simple decision making ना, what BJP is trying to do, confuse people. जाता तितले ऑप्शन घाल, आणि जसे खतखतेचे कोण
जादूगर झाला ते जादूगर
ते ऍक्च्युअली खतखते अविनाश बाबा, आणि त्यांनी जे थोडे ओपिनियन माझ्या बद्दल सांगले, आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो इन टू दॅट, कित्याक आमचो टार्गेट ते सायडीन आमच्या टिमीन झगडी मारता, वी आर कॅटेगरायज एज ऑपोजिशन्स.
सबनेशाक उलोवपा दिवपा जाय आमी, कित्याक सांग तेजे डेव्हलपमेंटल वर्क्स कितले जाला आनी कितें, आनी नेक्स्ट कशें गोंय लुटतले आनी कितले स्पिडीन लुटतले. आता डबल इंजिन केले तेमी, आता ट्रिपल इंजिन करतले काय कितें?
Triple engines.
ते कसले इंजिन लायक.
You all have spoken. Let's get Avinash Bab into it. See, these are pretty serious allegations against the Congress. But my point is not this. We are aware of what Congress is. We have seen it over the past 10 years.
They're not allegations, brother. They're facts.
Okay, whatever. Facts or whatever you call it. I have
No, not allegations. They're trying to support
There is
them.
no Congress.
Because there's no congressman who is supporting.
That's why I'm being very
Okay,
polite.
good,
about it.
good, good.
So the point is
But
now.
let us be not polite, let us be factual.
Yes. Now, Avinash Bab, my point is, what is the, see, now X, Y, Z, X words are being used about the politics, leave that. But my point is, what is the political situation? How do you go forward as NCP as part of the opposition against a all-powerful BJP machinery. See, whether you like it or not, whether Siddesh likes it or Trajan likes it or Swapnesh likes it, the election machinery of the BJP is as powerful as the election machinery of Mamata Banerjee's in Bengal, or as powerful as Siddesh's parties in Delhi, or it's powerful. Okay, now this TMC and what's it? This is Avinash's turn now. So ultimately, you have to fight elections. You have to win. You need that machinery. Now NCP has got a good chance in Goa. It has got a very good chance in Maharashtra, which is what I have been saying since the Congress has gone down. So what do you feel is the situation in Goa? Political situation. Let's make it a political discussion.
No, it is very simple. As Siddesh has said it, like we have to have a retrospect of what has been happening in the past. Why BJP is strengthening itself, and why BJP requires more people into it. When they have a sufficient comfortable majority, they had it, and why they want more and more people, like-minded people into it. So you have to understand the mindset of the BJP. The entire mindset, whether it is in country or in Goa, they want to finish the opposition.
Right?
This is number one. Then they want to tell, they want to choose A, B, C. If there are 4 people, then they will select Mr. B, you are going to be my leader of opposition. So this is the mindset of BJP.
No, it's not
Now,
the point.
no, it is. I'm not coming to the point. Now, in this matter, we are also into ABC as NCP. The major traditional opposition, or which ruled the country for more than 60 years or 70 years, now which Modi always or BJP always blame, if anything goes wrong, it was done by Congress. So, likewise, here there was a space which was created by Congress people, and that space was created right from the Mandal Commission.
Okay, Avinash, I have to interrupt you on this. I need to go in for
Yeah.
a small commercial break. Yeah, keep watching. We'll be back soon after this commercial break. Welcome back. Sorry, Avinash.
So my point is this: here there comes TNC and AAP, vis-a-vis, let us speak in Goa or in country also. Now AAP on its own violation, they have not come. They have not. You have to see the birth of AAP, how it happened. That is very important. All the stalwarts which were connected into Delhi, Jantar Mantar, all those things against the corruption, they came with an oath, and which culminated to one IS officer becoming a Chief Minister. He, out of 70, he gets 67 seats. But immediately thereafter in the parliament, all 7 seats goes to the BJP. So you have to see a connectivity. Where is the origin of AAP? Now AAP, whatever he is towing the same line of Hindutva of BJP. So Mr. Kejriwal wants the currency note to be printed with Ganesh and Lakshmi. My point is, he said, why Ganesh and Lakshmi? Why not? Lakshmi, they are all mythological figure. You go down the street today, we have Mittal, Advani, Lakshmi Putra. Have images of Lakshmi Putra, Adani and this, who is that? Ambani. Why not that photograph? Because they are running the country today. There are no other. And there are only trio which runs the country, as far as country is concerned. And as far as Goa, there is only one man, Vipaji Varasutna. So my point is here, there is a vacuum which was created by Congress, and that vacuum was filled up by AAP.
बेसिकली माझे म्हणणं किती असा व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएटेड म्हणटा पळय तो व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट कित्याक जालो हो क्वेश्चन आणि म्हाका एक सांग म्हणल्यार तू मानता की एफिशियंट मनीस येवपाक तुमचे एफिशियन्सी नासली एक सिंपल हांव कितें म्हणटा आतां व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट जालो म्हाका एक सांग तुका म्हाका लढाई करपाक थंय म्हाजे कडेन आसा जेत तुमचे कडेन जेत नाशिल्लो मनीस नाशिल्लो सो हांव जेत आशिल्लो मनीस येवन तेंचे कडेन लढटा हे क्रायम ना म्हाका दिसता लोकांच्या खातीर झगडचे ती व्हॅक्यूम आसा तो बोरचो एक क्रायम न्ही पण हांव कितें म्हणटा आतां तुमी म्हणटा काँग्रेस वॉज अ मेजर पार्टी मेजराच्यान मायनर कित्याक जाली हे इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कोण करना आयज म्हाका सांग खंयच्या स्टेटींतल्यान 2-3 स्टेटी कितें उरला त्यो बी कशी उरला दळत मळत उरला आमचे कडेन जेन्ना तुमी समज आप म्हणटात हे केला दिल्लीची सरकार पळयात आनी पंजाबाची सरकार पळयात कितले लीड आसा ते आमी अशें म्हणपाक शकना चुकोवन दिला रे लोकांनी ते म्हणपाक शकना पूण आयज सिच्युएशन
इवन बेंगॉल
ना आयज सिच्युएशन कितें आसा जेन्ना कशें आसता लिंग्विस्टीक पार्टीज आसता रिजनल पार्टीज आसता त्यो थोड्यो पार्टी दुसऱ्या स्टेटींनी ग्रो जावपाक शकना थोडी पार्टी आता तेंका तमीळ असता ते हांगा येवपाक शकना सो एक खंयची तरी पार्टी दिसता जी हॅव अ कॉमन बेस आनी दिसता की बाकीच्या पार्टीनी ग्रो जावपाक शकता जाल्यार तेतून तूं म्हणपाक शकना हे आमचे वोट फोडपाक आयला म्हणून आरे तुमचे वोट आशिल्ले तेंका तुमी सांबाळपा खातीर कितें केला आयज जेन्ना काँग्रेसीचो एक म्हणटालो आमी की गोवा इज काँग्रेसीज हब आयज काँग्रेसीचो हब आसतना तेन्ना मोदीची तयारी जाली गोवांतल्यान मोदीची तयारी जाली गोवांतल्यान तेन्ना काँग्रेसान इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कित्याक करूं ना तेन्नाच तुमचे आमदार तेंचे हितून फितूर आशिल्ले काय कितें कित्याक पयलीं लुईझीन गेलो आतां दिगंबर गेलो मुखार आनी कोण वतले हे लोकांच्या मनान आतां बसला एक सांगता आयज सिच्युएशन आयज एनसीपी जी पार्टी आशिल्ली नॅशनल पार्टी आयज खंय तरी भंय पडला ती नॅशनल पार्टींतल्यान देंवता काय कितें कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार जे बीजेपी सरकार हांगा बुरशें राजकारण करता खंय महाराष्ट्रान एकनाथ शिंदेक तयार करप एका करप ते तेंचो बाण आनी त्रिशूल ते आसा ते काडप तेंका ते मशाली दिवप हेंका फोडप ते फोडप म्हाका एक सांग हे जे जेन्ना एनसीपी स्वता महाराष्ट्रान एक स्ट्रॉंग होल्ड आसा जशे टॉल लिडर लायक शरद पवार एक टायमार प्रायम मिनिस्टर कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्लो तो आपलो गड थंय कित्याक सांबाळपाक शकना किंवा सांबाळपाक शकना जाल्यार तेका कोण सतयता हेजेर कितें इंट्रोस्पेक्शन जायना म्हाजें कशें आसा आयज जेन्ना महाविकास आघाडी आशिल्ली सगळे बरोबर आशिल्ले सगळे बरे भशेन चलयताले आयज महाविकास आघाडी वॉज अ एग्जाम्पल फॉर युनायटेड अम्ब्रेला ऑपोजिशन फॉर ओवरऑल नेशन ही फोडपाचें कारण लोकांचे मदीं भंय घालपाक की ऑपोजिशन युनायटेड उरपाक शकना जो पर्यंत बीजेपी आसा सो हे खंय तरी बेटर चिंतन म्हणटा पळय ती गरज आसा कित्याक व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट जाला म्हणून आप आयला व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट जाला म्हणून टीएमसी आयला व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट अरे व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट कसो जालो तो खबर काडा दोन टायम एवरी टायम एक एलिगेशन आसता एक तर वोट स्प्लिटराची नाल्यार एक तर एलिगेशन आसता व्हॅक्यूम भितर सरपाची अरे व्हॅक्यूम भितर सरपाची म्हणल्यार व्हॅक्यूम दिला आमी येतलेच न्ही आनी वोट स्प्लिटर आतां कळटा काँग्रेस खंयचे परिस्थितीर आसा ते हांव कितें म्हणटा ते नासतना तेंचे बद्दल उलोवप वायट पूण तेमी येवपाकूच जाय ना अशी गोष्टी असले गोष्टी नाल्यार प्रेझन्स दाखोवपा आसता पळय जेन्ना मिडिया कडेनूय प्रेझन्स दाखोवपा ग्राउंडार सोडच एटलिस्ट मिडिया कडल्यान तेंचे जे कार्यकर्ते आसता ते कार्यकर्ते बाबडे खंय तरी अशे फापडून पडला तेंकां स्वता खबर ना कोणा मरे वचप ते फाल्यां तेंचो इश्यू जालो ते कोणा धरतले कोणाक मेळटले आनी बाबा ही पेपर मातशें अशें प्रॉब्लेम जालो वतले कोणा मरे म्हाका सांग आयज उरला तिगूच जाण
I don't know. We don't have anybody to ask that question. Now, wait. The other thing I would like, I don't know. Now there seems to be some problem in. It's speculation. Which float kota. I don't know if you all have heard something. I don't know. We've heard that the presidentship of the Congress party is also under attack. We might get the old president back. I don't know. I call. I don't.
Old president will not come back because there is nothing to sell now. Number one. Please, for 1 minute.
Vis-a-vis Goa is concerned.
Yeah, vis-a-vis Goa is concerned. I have not said it.
Yeah.
The MP has said it to Chor Manon. Please understand this. I have said what I have said. I have put it in writing.
Yes.
And it was then disclosed to me afterwards. How the game. A man, how can the old president is on record to say, I will never have an alliance with the Goa Forward Party. I will not be the president here. Suitcase to suitcase, back to base. Finally, please understand, I was opposing it. The result was, from 3, Goa Forward came to 1, from 17, Congress came to 11, in the alliance.
With alliance.
With alliance.
Yes. I agree. You all are like talking piecemeal now. I am confused. I am not so intelligent as you all. What I want to know is what is the political situation in Goa?
The people are going to show the people, the politicians of Goa, Goa ke log ajib hai. They will come to. You will see the coming elections. You don't want a opposition unity. People will unite for a political party.
No. See, Goa's log ajib nahi hai. Goans are Goans. They will not change. Whatever it might be. Now we might like to say that they are ajib, but we are people. People
ना,
are
पण
people.
एक सांगता,
But the message of the
ना
opposition.
बट
that
एक
point
सांगता
is
आमी
this.
विसरपाक शकना
हा.
गोंयचे लोक अजीब म्हणून कित्याक
कित्याक?
दे आर व्हेरी डेंजरस अँड फ्युरियस ते सांगता तुका
Good, no?
बरें तेय सांगता तुका आमचे चेंजीस करपाक हांगाय जाता समज डॉक्टर जॅक सेक्युरा टायमार तशें नाशिल्लें न्ही खंयची म्हाका एक स्टेट दाखय जी स्वता झगडोन ना म्हणल्यार ना आनी जिखून हाडला तेय आसा सो बेसिकली हांव कितें म्हणटा आमी गोंयकार न्ही वर्रात जो पर्यंत आमकां सतयना न्ही तो पर्यंत आमी लोकांच्या वाटेर वचना आतां एक कशें जाला
start.
तूं पेट्रोल कसो पेट्रोल खंय पेट्रोल कोणाचेर पडटलें तें कळपाना
How it will happen? When it will happen?
Okay.
Leave it to the people of Goa.
Fine.
Not politicians.
One thing you have to say about Goan, we are good speakers, right? We like our party, we like our extempore and thing. Outside Goa, lots of Goans are very successful. And they like to talk well. My point is, action also is important. What is the action? Action of the political space. 30%, forget, it is 35-36% BJP sold. 67%, Siddesh Bab, your figure, 67% political space. What is it doing is my question here. We will bring another
ना
debate
पण पहिले आम्ही काय म्हणपाचे
but this is my question, it is not answered.
एक सांगता तुका
67%,
even
what is
something will accept
67%
it.
doing?
They will come together.
ना he has to accept it.
पंचायत election
He has to accept it. He has to-
आज जी
ना,
report decimated is स्वातंत्र्य.
he has to accept it one thing की
Who?
आता
स्वप्ने.
स्वप्ने आता किती झालं सांगू तुका सध्या किती झालं पहिले तुम्ही आता 10 वर्सां 2012 पळय लोक उलयताले ते आनी 2022 पळय लोक उलयताले ते आता लोक डिफरंट प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर न्ही खंयच्यान तरी निकळून भायर सरून दाखयता आमी आसा हा म्हणून तू सांगपाक शकना आनी 5 ते 3 वर्सान लोक रस्त्यार येवन सांगपाक शकतले सो तू म्हणपाक शकना लोक उलोवपाचें बंद जाला म्हणून आनी एक सांगता तुका ना 66 66तल्या
67%
ना 60 हांव कितें म्हणटा हांव म्हाजे फिगर सांगता तुका 65%, 65%तल्यान 2017 65 आयले 67 परत 66 सो ते देंवना ते वाडटा पूण ते वाडटा ते कशें मोबिलायज करून एक हाडप हेजेर काम करपाची गरज आसा लोक उलयता खरें तूं आई सांगू तूं आपूच जाता एकदां एक इलेक्शन असता आख्खे वारे असता बीजेपी नाका पूण ते बीजेपी येता
Which election that बारे में?
तू खंयच्याय एका
No, I am very curious.
ना एक सांगता एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन वारे असता एक सांगता तुका परिस्थिती अशी आसा इवन ड्युरिंग माय इलेक्शन विच आय फेस म्हाका अशें दिसलें की ऑलमोस्ट इट इज थ्रू म्हणून पूण एक अशें येता एक कॅन्डिडेट रे थोडे
Siddesh, I don't know from where your survey people are. They're pretty bad. In fact, on this channel, I had said Siddesh has got a very good chance to win. You check the record.
No, I'm a division of-
I had said Siddesh has everybody said he said no, 3 hai tha, whatever. I said whatever, but I said Siddesh Bhagat has a very
No,
good chance to win.
I went on record saying we are winning all three.
Yeah, but
I
I had said Siddesh Bhagat.
I
will
got-
win.
I got-
That was the
I-
opinion.
I-
But
See,
it's a fact.
I'm again correcting everyone. I'm again correcting everyone. Reality and your dream.
1000 काँग्रेस 600 आरची ना 600 आरची आणि 700 ते सो जे डिव्हिजन झाला पळय ते 2500 झाला 2100
67%.
सो हो कसो युनाइट करतलो तेजेर
I was very excited, but सगळे उलयताले तेन्ना हांव
You don't have to talk because
हे उलयनासतना मारतात
I can sum up the whole thing in few words. See, I would like to wish them best of luck. Everyone, if they want to come together, where is Congress? TMC is here, NCP is here, AAP is here, going to Awaz, going to Swabhiman Party is here. I don't know where the Congress is.
आणि थोडे युनायटेड तुम्ही
I'll tell you one
No
thing.
one, see, no one wins election in the air. We have strong organization behind it.
Sorry.
We have,
Sorry.
we have
Stop organization, you don't have 67%
We
people.
do.
No, no,
We
no.
are doing every
I'll give you an
micromanagement possible for any election, and we are serious about any election. It can be panchayat, ZP, the MLA election, and the parliament
Yeah,
election also.
I'll tell you
We
why
are
I agree
working
with Siddesh because Siddesh, you cannot dispute this. I'll tell you why. Why I'll tell you.
आता पण मला एक
Why? Let me tell you at least no why. Let me tell you. Then you man no man. Now AAP has got X number of percentage for Lok Sabha. I mean sorry, not Lok Sabha. For Assembly last time and this time. But this time the AAP election management was brilliant. Okay. Besides last 15
He was a
days-
part of that.
One second. No, no, forget
He was a
management.
part of that.
No, no,
Where is
management.
the management
Sorry,
for
what?
last 15 days?
Last 15 days now. Last 15 days. Wait, you are not allowing me to finish also, Siddesh. Last 15 days, AAP management went little. So from which we had said AAP would get between 2 to 5 seats. We had said, you can check out. I think we were the only people who said RG also was going to win. We were the only people who said that BJP was going to get so many seats. Now that was not talking on the air. It was actual. We had debates here, discussions here. Swapnish also was part of one, I think. So my point is that if AAP had done proper little bit of extra introspection, more effort, it would have got the 5 seats very easily. But it's not because of the hawa, it's because of the hard work put in by the election managers, the karyakartas, paid or not paid, was a big issue last time. Hard work put in by BJP. Hard work. BJP has started the Lok Sabha campaign. Where are the other parties? My point is that elections is like, can I come and appear in court? Dutor,
No.
You have to be trained, you have
Yeah.
to work, you have to be a proper this. Now Siddesh has done a brilliant job in Naveli. We've been watching him.
Of
Just
course,
because he's
we-
not come on our channel
we
doesn't mean
debated
we've not
also
been
about
watching.
his
We've been watching him. But point is, elections is an art and a science. You got to work at it.
Obviously,
And the
obviously.
parties now. Rajan Babu is talking. He doesn't know the election management. What is going on in Bengal? I've seen. It's brilliant. In Goa, I don't know what they did. Let's not discuss it. We can discuss it some other time.
Only person of TMC can be seen is Rajan Babu.
No, Kirtia, they are there. Rajan, TMC has started.
No, my
Whatever.
point is very
Other
simple.
parties may not be
They are
there.
working on the ground.
सिद्धेशा
We are working on the ground.
Calm here.
वो तो बनाना आणि घड्याळाची खबर सांगली नो हियर डिफरन्स बिटवीन
See.
बीजेपी
Glenn.
and
Glenn.
Congress. Let me finish.
What's
here. As far as Congress is concerned, a Congress minister or Congress functionary if is there, त्याने जर एक चिकन जर खाल्ले, besides corruption I'm telling you, तर काँग्रेसमॅन घेऊन चिकन खाऊन त्याच्या आड्या गोळ्यान घालताला आणि सांगताला हांवें चिकन खाल्ले का पाटी
No, I don't know. I can name
But
names. I don't want to.
But as far as BJP is concerned,
No comment is the best comment.
So that is the difference. That is the
Election
thing.
management is an ongoing process. You cannot come at the time of 2 महिने असता इलेक्शनाच्या हे फ्री येता ते फ्री येता म्हणल्यार तुका लोक मूड मारपाचो ना.
We've completely run out of time. In fact, we've crossed time. But we have not got a conclusion about the political space. I really don't know who's going to be the opposition, whether BJP is going to be opposition, Congress is going to be opposition, AAP or NCP or
NCP, definitely.
TMC or Swapnesh is ultimately going to take the role as saying, no, I'm a politician, I'm going to fight and win. I don't know guys, but I promise you this, we will continue this discussion at a later date. We will bring the same people again so we can discuss it. Thanks, and I don't know what with. I really don't know. I don't know if you all are as confused as me in the audience and the thing. But thank you and keep watching Goa 365.